Everyone, it's the beginning of January and it is time to announce this year's rules for the hashtag Tomato Challenge 2026. So if you have not joined in the last 2 years, now is the time. This year, 2026, let this be the year that you win this tomato challenge across YouTube. So sit back, relax, grab your coffee. I'm gonna go over the rules, show y'all some stuff that I'm gonna do to make sure that I win. Just kidding. Maybe, I don't know. But seriously, here we go. All right, so like I said, it's the beginning of January. It is actually pretty chilly here. It's 50 degrees here in zone 9B, here in Spring, Texas, where I am right now. But it's the time to announce all the rules. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why so early, Chad? Well, because for down here, I'm about to start my seeds because by June, the middle of June, I'm done growing tomatoes because of the heat here. So you have to know your zone, you have to know your temperatures, and you have to be prepared and start preparing now. Okay, so here's the rules for the challenge. It's open to everybody. Doesn't matter where you're at. Anywhere in the world, United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, doesn't matter. So the challenge is this. You want to grow the heaviest single tomato. It's that simple, right? Yeah, right. It ain't that simple. Because growing tomatoes can be quite tricky, challenging, but that's part of the fun of this, right? Grow the heaviest tomato that you can, but you're gonna have to follow these guidelines. Now, for the last 2 years, we had made it a point that you would show what tomato plant that you're planting, and then you could grow 2 plants of that specific tomato, and then submit one of those tomatoes at the end of your growing season for consideration of winning. Brian and I decided, why are we just limiting it to 2? So here's the new rule for this challenge. It's open. There aren't a restriction on what plant you can grow or anything else. Grow as many different types, as many plants that you want to plant, and then submit the heaviest tomato. Here's the one stipulation that cannot be changed, must be adhered to specifically for fairness. When you harvest your tomato for submission, you have to show the tomato hanging on the plant, you cutting the tomato off the plant, and in the same video, you have to show that tomato being weighed. It has to be weighed to where we can all see what the weight is. It has to be incredibly clear. And I'm going to ask that everybody weigh your tomatoes in grams. That way it's just easy to see, and then we can figure out the pounds and all that. But just make it real simple. Weigh them in grams. Too easy. Now, but when is the final date of the challenge? September 15th of 2026 is the final date. All submissions have to be in prior to or on that date, September 15th, 2026. Now that gives everyone plenty of time, even if you're up in Canada, for a grow season to get your tomatoes growing. And like I said, for me, by June, middle of June, I'm already done. My submission tomato will already be in, and that's why I have to start really, really early, like now. I'm gonna show right here exactly what you need to do in order to have your submissions counted in your title of your video. Now, before I get into that, you will have to submit a video. The video does not have to have your face on it. You can do it as a short. You could do it as a video like this. You could do it where you're just showing the tomato being harvested and put on the scale and all that. You don't have to do a video with your face. So that's important. So if you're shy about being on camera, don't be. You can still enter this challenge and not be seen, but you can still be counted. Keep that in mind. Now, 2, most important thing, in the title of your video or videos, you must have what I am typing in right here on the screen. It has to have hashtag Tomato Challenge 2026. That has to be in the title, or we cannot see your videos. Because what we do is we go up into the search bar of YouTube, like I'm showing right here, and we type in hashtag Tomato Challenge 2026. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm typing in hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025, just so everyone can see what happens. Once we hit enter, and you all hit enter, you can see every single video that has that title, hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025, 2024, 2026, in YouTube. And that is how we will go through and find the winners, find all the submissions toward September, or from here until September. Now, why is that important? Because that is the only way that we can see people submitting their submissions. You have to have that in the title, not the description, but the title of every video. Very important. That's probably the most important thing besides actually growing the tomato. Okay, so rules have been laid out. Now, if you're like me, I have an entire bed that is specifically for indeterminate tomatoes. Now, right now, because it's January, I have radishes growing and some peas. But in 2 months, this entire bed will be amended, ready to rock and roll, and have my tomatoes going. I said in a video a couple weeks ago that I would go over my tomatoes for 2026. This is that time. So let me get them. Okay, so for the tomatoes that I'm growing in 2026, what I decided to do was, when I placed my Baker Creek order, I wanted to, or my seed order, have a way or a chance at winning this challenge, because I beat Brian last year, but I did not win the overall challenge. So I started really thinking about it. I'm like, okay, what do I want to grow in that bed to ensure I have a really good chance? So here's what I did, and I'm sharing with everyone to give you all plenty of time to also do the same thing that I did. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 10 different types of beefsteak tomatoes right here. Some of these, or in fact, all of them, normally get to a pound or heavier. A couple of them, I think, if I remember right, 2 pounds, like this one. That gets to 2 pounds. So of course, I had to order it. But this is what I'm going to show you all, the tomatoes that I have ordered and that I will be growing. So again, we're going to start right there with that one. Big rainbow. This one is the pineapple, again, can get up to 2 pounds. Classic beefsteak, just a beautiful normal beefsteak, 1 to 2 pounds. The Brandywine, let's see, this one is a variety from 1885, y'all. I love that. We're gonna grow that one. Kentucky beefsteak from my home state. Can get up to 2 pounds. See which one this one is. A Granny Cantrell tomato. Let's see. Named after a World War II veteran who came back to Eastern Kentucky, and she crafted this tomato right here. Now, it doesn't say how big or how heavy these get, but that's just a beautiful tomato, and I love the story, so I'm gonna grow it. A gold medal tomato. This one is a yellow one, right? Yeah. This one is a yellow one. And again, it doesn't say how heavy they get, but I wanted a yellow tomato. I think that's a beautiful one. A great white tomato, again. 1 pound is what it says on the back that they can get up to. Just a beautiful looking tomato. And again, I wanted something a little different. I just thought a white tomato is kind of cool. Of course, this one, I love growing these. They can get incredibly big. So I definitely suggest y'all try getting some accordions. And then the final one is this yellow tomato right here. It can get up to over a pound. Tangerine and orange color, smooth texture, and just looks really cool. So I think that is all 10. Let me make sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So those are the tomatoes that I will be growing Those are the tomato plants that I will be growing for this challenge in 2026. In fact, 3 or 4 days after this video airs is when I'll be planting my seeds. So I'm giving everyone time and showing you exactly the plants that I'm planting. So no one can say I didn't give anyone time to get their seeds or anything else. And I'm actually laying out my plan on what I'm going to do in the challenge, because I think it's fair, right? Let's all have the same playing field. Let's have some fun with this challenge and grow the biggest tomatoes that you can. I've already got tomatoes growing, y'all. I've got some cherry tomatoes here. I cannot believe these things are growing through the temps that we're having. So I'm already off to the races with growing tomatoes. Not really. These aren't gonna obviously win, but the winning tomato for this challenge, I'm gonna try really hard, is gonna come out of that bed right over there. But on a serious note, everyone, this is going to be a fun challenge. If you've never joined it, please consider joining it. If nothing else, grow the biggest tomato on your street, because we all have that one person that's like, look at what I grew. Why don't you flip the script? Show them what you grew. All right, I figured we'd end the video where we started the video. Y'all, seriously, this is one of the most fun things that I do throughout the year. It is such a beautiful way to come together as a community of growers here on YouTube, community of like-minded gardeners that just want to have some fun, have a little bragging rights, and maybe this year you can be the winner of this challenge. Again, really fast, September 15th is the cutoff. No more submissions after the 15th. And weigh your tomatoes in grams. I will expand upon this, and so will Brian, throughout the year. Be looking for hashtag Tomato Challenge 2026 in the search bar, which if you type it in right now as of the airing of this video, you will see this video pop up under that search parameter. So don't forget that. Everyone, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. And seriously, good luck to everyone who joins this challenge. I truly hope, if you're a beginner gardener, you are the winner. But we'll see. We're going to have some fun this year, I think, with this new rule. But I'll talk to you all again real soon. Bye.